on Blogkidzz TV.
Blogkidzz TV.
Zayn, what are you doing?
I'm eating pizza.
But why are you eating pizza?
Because I'm eating some and then gonna leave some for Mikey. That's gonna come around.
Not the real Mikey and Gio. This Mikey and Gio, the toy.
Oh, but this pizza tastes so nice. My name's Zayn and I love pizza.
And my name's Zia, and today I'm going to open up Tongue Popping Mikey and Turtle Tactical Truck.
And there's also Stockman-Fly and also Slash and April, like the same as my birthday, and also Master Splinter.
So let's turtle up, everybody.
And cowabunga dudes!
Woohoo!
Yahoo! Let's open it!
Yay! I'm going to open up Michelangelo.
Look at that. I made it. Oh, it looks like the same. And let's take out Mikey. Ah! I'm going to put that one down. It's really heavy. Oh, okay. What's there? Ah! Space. And what's this? I might just put down the side. What's in here? Look, here's Mikey. Oh, what does this do?
Jump up stick.
Oh.
Now we're ready to open up the next one.
It came with a sticker sheet. Look at this. And look, there's another one. Let's take this one out. Oh. Oh. Good, that comes up. But there's this. Let's stand these up. This opens up for Michelangelo to sit down. He can bend his feet and sit here. Let's take it out and put that here. And then he can stand here and shoot someone. And then he can sit here and shoot himself for a ride. And also if he moves this out of the way, and then he can stand here. And then this.
And he can.
This comes down like that, and Mikey can stand on there like that, and you can take him off, and you can see how he stands with that little hole. Let's put it back up, and there. He has these like Optimus Prime. This can open up to put so they can sit here. And they can also sit here, and they can also stand here. I put Mikey here and he's holding onto here so he doesn't drop. Let's put his arm down, and the nunchucks come out like that, and get this out, take this out, and they take the other one out. And there. Now let's roll it. Let's snap the thing.
These are our characters, and you can get so much to collect. And this is Slash with his club, and this is Stockman-Fly with his little wings around him, and he has a hand and one claw. And this is April with her van to fight crime. And this is Master Splinter. And this is Mikey. Not just Mikey, tongue popping Mikey. Like this. And these are his nunchucks. He's got bendy arms to move everywhere and feet. And he's got his nunchuckers ready to fight crime. And he's so cool, Cowabunga dude. Are you ready? I'm born ready. Let's line them up now. Shoot. What's Zane? Well, let's try again now.
Okay. We got a message for you, Shredder, and you're not gonna get away with it this time.
That's right.
Pew! Ha ha ha! For you, Shredder.
Now it's time to bring out the big nunchuckers.
We found Shredder hiding in the dustbin. He didn't get away with it.
Time to get them now.
Go for it, Zia. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. What? Let me just try again. Maybe he's a bit too heavy.
Put one of
Hey,
them back. Second one. Oh, I wish someone could help me.
Let's fight.
Well, you got me to help me, Mikey.
I got your arm.
You're the one.
Whoa.
Not too close to my shell.
But I can smash you.
Okay, I'll try and help you, but it might hurt a little bit. Oh, sorry.
Bash. Bash.
I'll hold one in my hand.
There's a lot of good things about the truck, but my favourite part was the launcher.
My favourite toy was Mikey because he sticks his tongue out like this.
I'm gonna just be so silly and launch myself. We enjoyed playing with the turtle truck and Michelangelo and also the Ninja Turtle characters video.
I hope you enjoy our video. Make sure to click on our other videos. Subscribe.
Thumbs up and comment below. Bye bye. We're gonna keep playing with it.
Yeah.
Bye bye.